Hello, Steve Minch. It's about 14 months after the first video, so I thought I'd stand here again and give a brief update on the West Seattle Bridge. As you can see behind me, it's still standing. That's good. Still isn't open to traffic. It's been closed to traffic for over a year now, and Seattle's got 2022 targeted as the open to traffic date. So a brief update on the emergency repairs that they have done. You can kind of see two things here. One are these sort of dark spots or dark sections here, one there, and there's one over here on both sides. And that's where the original cracking was really obvious. They basically put more or less a patch or a Band-Aid over it and glued it on. It's carbon fiber, so the carbon fiber actually provides some resistance to tension and relieves some of the stress on the cracks, and hopefully the cracks don't grow anymore. They've obviously been sealed and epoxied underneath. And then the second one is you can kind of see these bolts or things sticking through the bridge over here and then over here. And what they've done is these are anchor spots for post-tension steel cables that they put inside this girder section that run from one side of the bridge to the other. And what they do is when they tension them up, it provides tension and it pulls together the bottom of that box girder and provides some resistance to the tensile stresses that are in there and further strengthens the bridge. So those are the two main things. Here's the other emergency work that the City of Seattle did. It's on Pier 18, which is at the east end of the cast-in-place balanced cantilevered part of the West Seattle Bridge. That's this part here and not this part back over here. So right here, they actually replaced some lateral bridge bearings which were locked up. The lateral bridge bearing, if you remember from the earlier video, helps provide a little bit of movement side to side on the bridge. That was locked up. They cut out some concrete, put in new bridge bearings there, and should be good to go. Okay, so overall, that's the emergency repair work to the West Seattle Bridge. The more permanent repair work is going to occur over about the next year, and we should see the West Seattle Bridge, if everything goes to plan, open to traffic again in 2022.